Hello, it don't happen. Oh. It don't happen. I beg. If you get anything what you dey do, go do and come back. You have to listen to this video from beginning to the end. Make you no jump. Yesterday, I did a video on this tax reform. How to calculate your personal income tax. I no know say I dey run with the wrong data because I call my colleague say, abeg, help me get the rate. He come send me the rate. I say, only the rate. With the rate, I generated a lot of questions. I can't teach. Somebody come tell me, say, Donaza, look at the rate too. After I don't spend time, they explain wrong data with passion, edited, uploaded. Somebody, Chinana, come say, Donaza, check. I come go check. Say, what? I come and go. Wetin be this? First time where they tell you, say, help me get this thing. That's why I dey like do my research by myself. But I thank God say I did that video. Because from that video, I come see many questions. When we say, I will not even do another video to answer. So with this video now, I will answer those questions too. I will show you the correct calculation with the right info. Okay? Another thing that is very, very important. Somebody ask, say, how they go know, say, he no pay tax. He say that video was correct. I will not do this video. Thank God say I dey do this video because the man in charge of this task where President Tinubu put, you know, say na first class, PhD, professor. He had they do like the chwa. I just saw his interview on Vanguard. He thought say they'll come tell you for office, for your workshop, for your tailor shop, for your barber shop, anywhere say this is how much you earn this year. No be you go talk with your mouth o. You earn 10 million. You earned 5 million. You go say no. I no earn 5 million. Everything dey here. So make you relax o. This one concern you. Make we start. It is called NTA 2025, Nigeria Tax Act 2025. Okay? Now I am showing you the reference. No, say yesterday, I'm not show any reference because I call my guy, help me with the info. He can apologize. He mistakenly carry the old one. Okay? No wahala. You can see here, KPMG, the Nigeria Tax Act, NTA 2025. Now, one of my subscribers, now he send me the link. Okay? What you go see for this NTA 2025, now make the rich pay more taxes. The more you are getting richer, the more they are collecting more taxes. The more you make more money, the more they increase the rate of tax on you. That is, make the rich help the poor. This is not coming from here. No. If you check, they thought say 99.6% of Nigerians earn below this naira, please. 1 million naira per year. SEID 2025 report. 99.6% of Nigerians they earn below 1 million naira per year, according to this report. What is this? This is socio-economic impact and development report. Okay? Again, 98% of Nigerians earn below 800k per year. No wonder they call Nigeria the poverty capital of the world. This is coming from the combination of this data. Okay? Why am I showing you this? The reason why they want the 2% or below 2% that are making more money to bring more taxes so that the poor can be helped. The society can be helped. Okay? I saw one question yesterday. Somebody was asking, what are the taxable income? Okay? The taxable income types, they are salary, your salary, bonuses, anything what we say, that they call them income. The thing come, it come in. No be out. Income. I did like this. I see money from my hand. Where did you get this money? Bonus. Rain is falling. Please bear with me. Where did you get this money? Now profit. Now salary. As long as it is an income, you can give a name. It is taxable. Salary, bonuses, allowances, business income, rent received, winnings. You get house. Your tenant pay you rent. Winnings, say you do the 2 odds, or what do you call it, 3 odds. You do your 1x bet. They can pay you 5 million, 2 million, 1 million in the past. Or you got 1 million January, 50k the following month. Salary, You get another business wey dey do. That one you dey collect say profit of 50-50. At the end of the year, you earn more than 800k. You are not poor, okay? You go pay tax. Everything wey come to you from different sources. Different sources wey dey hit you, whether na small big, add all of them together for that year. If it's above 1 million, you must pay. Prizes, they give you awards, money come follow am, you go pay. Grants, you go pay. Honoraria, say you dey collect honorarium, you go preach, they transfer 50k to you, 1 million, you go pay. Na income. Awards, profit from digital and virtual asset. Say you be content creator, you get NFT, you get book wey you write online, you get video wey you upload, come bring money. All these are what? Digital assets, okay? Dividends, including distributions from liquidating companies. Say you come sell your company, say you don tire, the money wey you get from that company wey you sell, you calculate tax put for the income. Interest, including penal interest, forex gains, derivative payments, royalties, capital gains from shares, property, digital asset, etc. All these ones and many other ones wey we no fit mention for here, as long as say na money wey come to you and you fit call am income, money wey income your account, come your hand, they say you go pay tax. Income from trust or estate, say even will, inheritance or businesses, all of them. Foreign income for foreign residents, you dey abroad, even your foreign income, we fit see tax you there. Consent part of the money come Nigeria, go tax you. Professional fees, say somebody abeg show me how to, you know now, any professional fees, director's fee wey dey charge people, investment income and many other ones. All these are what? Taxable income. Now, how to calculate your personal income tax? The one we do yesterday, what we do wrongly. This is the correct one, okay? Let's see. This is how to start. According to NTA 2025, it does say apply the tax-free threshold. 1, the first 800k, as you say, you can calculate it throughout the year. For instance, say you no wan pay monthly, but you wan pay at the end of the year. All the money will come to you, profit, gbogbo, you can put them for inside one box. Close your eye, comot 800k. You no go calculate tax upon that one. You remove the 800k, okay? You can use these tax bands and rates. It means say, if you go back to this box, after you comot the 800k, you no wan body you for this 800k, the remaining one, you go comot 2.2 million. It depends on how much dey the box. This 2.2 million, when you comot so, you go put am for here, 2.2M. You go apply 50% tax on it. Okay? You go back to the box and see if there is anything that is remaining. Wetin you go do? If you plenty well, bring out 9 million from this box. You bring out another 9 million. 9M. You go apply 80% on the 9 million. E don finish? E no finish oh. Na big man oh. Na big man. Check the box see. How much remain? Oga, we still fit get 13 million from this box oh. Wow, this man get money oh. Okay, apply 21%. Wow, you still get money? The man rich oh. Okay, check. If we fit get another 25M, they bring out 25M because this man money and water. Apply 23% on it. Wow, you still get? Oga, he get above even 100. I don't tire, my head dey disturb me. We no care again. I don't tire to calculate. They bring out. Anything where remain, whether na 1 billion, 1 trillion, just apply 25% on it. So the more you are making more money, the more you are taxed. The rate is increasing according to your money and water. You get the point now? That is the second process. Step 3, subtract allowed deductions. You may reduce your tax if you have rent relief. What is this? They talk say 20% of your rent. Say for instance, your rent per annum na 1 million. 20% na wetin? 20% na 200K. So, from that box, aside the 800, what you comot, still comot 200. We no wan apply tax on the 200K. Oga, but my own rent na 2 million now. Remove 20%. That is what? 400K. Okay? Comot the 400K from the boss. We no go apply tax on the 400K. But Oga, my own na 3 million now. Your own na 3 million? It means say 600K na be your 20%. We have a limit to no disturb us. Now 500K be the limit. So instead of removing 600, comot 500 for am. Oga, my rent na 10 million. Comot 500K. My rent na 15 million. Comot 500K. But if na you get the house, you no be rent. You no get tenancy agreement to show. No evidence of payment. This one, they no dey comot am o. They will apply tax on everything aside the 800 when they give you to take care of your life. Okay? So business expenses, if they are wholly and exclusively for making income, say this money what you make, where it dey inside this box, you bought fuel to make the money. You made some expenses that generated this money. No be say you go drink for club or you go enjoy yourself or you buy clothes or you pay school fees. The money that enabled you, it could be salary. Maybe you are a writer, you write books, you get editor, you get research analyst, you dey pay their salary, comot am. But you must show evidence. So once you remove all these 800, deductible, and the rest, then we are ready to go now to do the calculation. Let's assume someone is making 20 million per year. Okay? Taxable income, the one where they will apply tax on, remove 800. As I said, this is the balance. Apply tax as follows. First, remove 2.2. As I said, apply 50% on it. This is tax from here. You still got money? Yes. Can we get up to 9 million? The next 9 million, apply 80%. Increase it. Increase it. It's making money. 50% too small. Increase it. 1.6 million. Okay? You still got money? 8 million is remaining. Remaining from the 19.2 million. Okay? If we go back to the box, remember 2.29 na 800 na be. Okay? I mean this table. 2.29. But what it remain now is not up to 30 million. What we for apply 21% on. No wahala. Whatever that is remaining, this must jam up. This one, they go kiss. They must kiss. So, 8 million that is remaining. This 21% must kiss it to bring out this one. Because we need more tasks to run my life. You know, I have a lot of personal assistants. So, we need to take care of the roads, pay the soldiers, pay police. You don't say you go still go that place, still need to buy fuel some time for investigation. You got the point now? Let's continue. Total tax, what you go pay? This amount, this amount, this amount. Total. If you pay rent, remember this calculation, we believe say now you get the house. But if you pay rent, when we dey remove this one, we go still remove the rent, 20%. As long as the 20% is not above 500K. You get the point now. Now, we go see examples. These examples, we go believe say now you get the house. Okay? So, on your own, if you know say no, you get the house, now rent. Comot the rent, no more than 500K, comot 800K. Then you go to this place now. This table, apply the necessary tax rate. So the more you make money, the more this thing catch your neck. You get the point now? Let's start from this first one. Uche earns 200 million per year. I will start from the highest amount in this class so that we'll carry and go down, or like yesterday, to make it easier. Okay? Uche is a real estate tycoon, earning 200 million per year. How much will he pay in tax and how much will he keep? Let's start. Remove 800K. We no go tax that one. Now zero tax, you go pay put. We go believe say now Uche get the house, so no need to consider the rent. Okay? Now, enter the box of Uche, where he put this money. For the first 2.2, apply 50%. We comot this tax. Check if we can get 9 million. Of course, apply 80%. This one. Remove 30 million. Apply 21%. This one. Remove 25 million. Apply 23%. You still get Now 200 million, Uche na big man, no problem. Money na water. Whatever that is remaining, we no care. It remain 150 million. Apply 25%. That is 37 million. Okay? Now, total tax where Uche go pay now 47 million 930,000 naira. Uche is meant to live with or use this one for himself. If Uche had expenses on this money, it's supposed to come out. They go help am come out. Now like this, they calculate am. Hope you get it now. Any other one was in here, with this now, you are good to go. Let's just run through the remaining ones, okay? Like this one, BC earns 100 million per year. BC is a top lawyer, earning 100 million per year. What will she pay as tax? Let's see. Remove 800, no tax. 2.2, 50%. 9 million, 80%. 13 million, 21%. 25 million, 23%. Remaining 50 million, 25%. See, total, where she go pay? 22 million. And this one, 9, she go enjoy from the 100 million. You get the point now. Rent, you know now, we don't talk about one. So this one is clear. This guy, 20 million. Remove this one, 50%, 80%. Because what is remaining is not much again. You apply the next one. Okay, the next one, which is 21%. At the end of the year, this should be his tax. Okay? This one too, 10 million. Remove this one, 15, whatever that is remaining, because it's not up to, just apply the next rate. So you can see how these two, this is the tax, 1.5 million. Remaining one, 8.4. Now for this one, 5 million. Remove 800, 2.250, whatever that is remaining, put the next one. Add together, 690. 9 be tax. This one, 9 be own. Let's continue. This one, 2 million. Remove 800. What is remaining is 1.2. Okay? Just apply the 50%. 180. This one, 1.5. Remove this one. Whatever that is remaining, apply this. That is 105. 1 million. Remove 800. Whatever that is remaining, 30K. See? You go keep this one. This one, 800,000. This one, we remove am. Nothing is remaining. So, no tax. So, 99.6%, almost 99% of Nigerians, they don't get 800K for their account. Okay? You don't see am so. Now, that video I did yesterday on this same topic with the wrong data, many questions came from there. I won't answer few of them because of time. Okay? Look, we see. This person, thank you, don't answer. But in case whereby what we earn on a monthly is it regular, I wish to pay the tax on monthly basis. Do we have to wait till the end of the year to know our sum total, or there is a way to go about it? That is .int. Let's look at the first option. You dey earn money, but it's not regular. It's common with all of us. Me, I don't know how much I go earn at the end of the month. You don't know how much you go earn because you are not a salary earner. They get small money from different sources. You get the point now. So how do I calculate my personal income tax? Option 1, estimate monthly based on projections. This one is on projections, okay? You can estimate your monthly income based on past income or average. You know how much you dey earn before, right? You can use that one as a picture. I'm not saying this month now go earn 20K or 1 million or 2 billion. Because for January, and that range, just like that, you go estimate. You will come to pay your tax based on that estimate. At the end of the year, you will come do your final calculations called assessment. Okay? What next? If you pay too much, the tax office will refund you the excess, or they go credit you so that next year they come deduct am because now they come dey hold you now. You understand? If you pay too little, this general knowledge, I'm not talking from the book, this is just general knowledge. If you don't stay outside the country, general knowledge. Okay? If you pay too little, you can't say what you pay is below the actual amount. You will do top up. Okay? I balance them. Okay? This method is called provisional tax or pay as you earn for irregular earners. Okay? Some people go cry. 2, wait and pay annually. Another option. Keep records of your actual earnings monthly. No need to pay. At the end of the year, add up all your income. Okay? Then calculate your total tax and pay once. Some people, they set aside a portion of their income, let's say around 10 to 20%. Then when they touch them, they go put up for another account so that at the end of the year, it go easy for them to pay their personal tax. This method is safe if you want accuracy. No one may cheat you or cheat anybody. But you will need discipline to save money. Okay? Tax office expectation. If you are not on salary, you know they collect salary. The law expects you to register with the tax authority, Nigeria Revenue Service. This one, no be say I read that from anywhere. This general knowledge you go get from outside Nigeria. I believe say themselves say they copy others. This is the expectation. File returns annually, but you can make voluntary monthly payments if you want to avoid bulk payments at once. Okay? What you should do, my advice, estimate your monthly income, e.g., the average of the last 3 months. Okay? Once you do that, use the NTA 2025 tax bands, those rates, to calculate your monthly tax. Okay? Pay the tax authority and keep all your receipts. At the end of the year, file your tax return showing total income, total tax paid, whether you underpaid or overpaid. Hope you understand that. Another question. This income, is it minus expenses? Emeka Joshua 9726. Of course, we have seen that already. Yes. For business or self-employed people, your taxable income is total income minus allowable business expenses. The expenses will help you generate the income. Okay? Whether na human being, whether na infrastructure, or you bought extra machine to generate more money. Okay? But this only applies if you are self-employed, a sole trader, freelancer, running a small business, not salary earner. As stated in the Nigeria Tax Act 2025, the one I showed you, expenses must be wholly or exclusively incurred in the production of the income. In the production of income. Section 20. Okay? The thing will help you produce the income where you won't pay tax on. No wahala. You tried. You bought fuel. Wonderful. Card where you buy, take me cost. They assisted you to generate this income where we won't tax you on. No wahala. Remove it. Evidence. No wahala. As long as you are good, we are good, okay? Examples of allowed expenses. You can subtract cost of goods sold, e.g. raw materials. You bought garri, you can't sell them. You buy 1,000, you can't sell them 10-20. This 1,000, maybe don't fit tax you now, abi? Come on. Now this new one where it come, where tax rate never touch, now it won't touch. You get the point now? I'm just giving an instance, okay? Transport for business, phone/internet use for work. For work, no for girlfriend. Salaries/wages paid to staff. Rent for office/shop. This one is different from your personal rent. Marketing or ads. Generator fuel for business. Tools/equipment. Business-related electricity bills. All this one they see for yourself. Now from other countries. So if you don't live outside Nigeria or if you are outside Nigeria. But for these our people, I don't know whether they go say, assume say na generator you buy, order these tools or equipment. No be fuel. Say, what you consign know say you buy generator? You don't supposed to buy generator before? I don't know. You know say na Nigeria we dey. I don't know. They need to educate us. They don't pay me make I do this video. If they want make I help them educate people more and more, may they contact me. You get the point now. Go negotiate. That is one. Secondly, I am not a tax officer, not a tax advisor. I'm just doing it out of love for my followers. May they understand, see what they go on. You cannot subtract your personal expenses such as Versace. You go expensive restaurant, go chop, who send you? Family rent. No. That's your personal problem. Who send you? If you don't want to pay, no they work. Make you be poor person, so nobody go disturb you. School fees, private travel, first class ticket, say money and water. Nobody send you that one, okay? Expenses not linked to your income source, okay? You cannot deduct all these ones. Summary formula for tax. Taxable income is equals to total revenue minus allowable expenses minus tax free. Okay? That is the total revenue where you get. You remove the expenses. You remove the 800K, the rent, if they pay rent. That is the 20% of rent. Then apply the tax bands to the remaining amounts. Once you comot the expenses, wetin remain for the boss, you also comot the 800, comot the 20% rent, if they pay rent. Then if you go that table, that tax bands, to start applying different rates. Hope you understand this. Let's continue. The question is, how will government know or determine annual income for those not in formal sectors, like those barbers, tailors, are self-employed? Divine mercy for TV. I go answer am. Then we come carry our body go see the chairman of this tax reform. They talk. We'll see wetin they talk. How they go catch them. Everybody with the cut. Sit down there. This is na Buhari dey there. Tinubu. Presumptive tax system. They use a fixed estimate for certain groups in other countries. For example, a barber may be taxed based on location like Lagos Island or village. A tailor may be taxed based on the number of machines or shop size. A trader may be taxed based on market stock and visible goods. This system is called presumptive assessment. No actual income figures, okay? Just government guessing your average income. Self-declaration, voluntarily. You feel, say, why I go allow government to stress themselves? Make I talk about myself. Government may test self-employed people to register with state NRS, Nigeria Revenue Services. Declare their income, 2 million per year, for instance. Then calculate tax and pay. But most people, they don't do this because they don't trust government. They fear harassment. Say, after I don't tell them, say, they make 2 million per month, or 2 million per year, or they go get me, I no go talk. They don't know how. Some people, they don't even know how to go about it. Okay? Use of bank statement or lifestyle, usually for rich people. Money na water, they spray money. In short, ESC should be allow people to spray money. From there, tax officer will tap you. Show us your tax returns. Tax office may look at your bank account, car, house, or lifestyle. If you are showing a flashy lifestyle, money na water, but no paying tax, they can raise questions, okay? This is called lifestyle audit or forensic assessment. Before we continue, make we go wetin the man talk. How they go dey catch una? And the man be this, first class brain. You know fit cheat am. Let's see wetin him talk. Vanguard newspaper, they interview am. If you wan read this thing, go straight to Vanguard now. I read it. Today na Sunday, okay? They answer question related to that question. When that guy ask, or is it a woman or a guy that asked that question, we just answer now. He said, number 1 is tax evasion. People will know what pay tax, they evade them. There are people today who are doing what you are doing. Maybe they are even any more than you. And they are not paying the taxes you are paying. You that is interviewing me, they are even any more than you. They are not paying tax like you. Okay? That is not fair. And we shouldn't allow that to continue. That will stop. He said it go stop. How will it stop? This system, the one they are building, will not allow that. As long as you are captured, you have NIN. You have bank information, BVN, KYC. You have phone number. Even this phone number you are looking at, be like say this one, where you see for yourself. You can't hide anywhere. It's selling data. You can travel abroad. We have the data. You buy land. We have the data. Be like say they will tell banks now, anybody when want to pay me anything, you must put the reason. They go track am. Arrest go plenty this time. Money na water. He continued. You buy a car or even bicycle or motorcycle. You build a house. You are going to connect to electricity. They will come connect you, Abi. NEPA will come connect you. Say you build a house. Those are monetary demons. We have the data. You open an investment account. Say, I want to invest my money. It dey idle. We dey monitor am because that money wey you invest go bring income. Okay? Pension account, stockbroking account. We have the data. Banks get the data. We want you to do your activities. But government will track those activities so that when you refuse to report your income correctly, we find out. We could find out. You buy pants, we know say you buy pants. You carry a shower, we know say you carry a shower. Money in water. You go do POS, we know say you withdraw money. You don't know where they go, so money in water. We want to go to a point where we will not come to you. They no go come to you. They say na that one, they develop the system. And say, Oga, how much did you earn in 2025? We not go ask you that question according to him. No, we tell you how much you've earned. Now we will tell you, say, see, this is what you have earned this year. I don't know whether they go tell Fulani S-man where they say bush how much they earn. It is for you to either disprove or approve. So that system is important. Every country where you see development, this is how they build their society. Oga, they know they steal the money. So pull that one. We also generate money from our crude oil, plenty. The way where Saudi Arabia generated their own, UAE, the way where Qatar, all of them, they don't steal the money. Development boku. Politicians love those places because they use the money where they generate, they build their society. How I wish I say, when I go build the society this time with this task. No be you are the talk, I don't say you dey discipline. I'm talking about looters. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Okay? They call us on. Are we able to digitize the process? You sure say you go fit do this system? He said, yes, what will be that? That is exactly what we are doing. We are going to digitize everything. The Nigerian Revenue Service will then work in collaboration with subnationals. So if you live or work in Ekiti State, for example, you can't go and tell them that, actually, by the way, I am resident in the FCT. Go tell you where you stay. Where you are not resident here. Say, they ask you, where are you from? Say, I am from FCT. I stay in FCT. Where else? Na Ekiti you stay. They say they go know. That lie happens every single day in Nigeria today. We will find out. That system will tell us where you are resident. This one 9999. When we say, don't go buy anything unless you collect the number. I'm just kidding. You know that if you move around, your phone can actually tell me where you were yesterday. Your phone will monitor you. So that data will help us to ensure that, one, we know who is truly poor, what we will protect, when we will pay tax, and protect them. Okay? Protect them out. Make them not pay tax. Because for UK, for instance, even the children of the poor, when they pay tax, they go school freely. So many benefits. Man people, they put them for different care centers, care homes. They take care of them using the taxpayers' money. Also, no go see mad person for any place again. All those beggars, now go build structure for them. No only monitor also, we can also monitor ourselves. And exempt them completely from paying tax. Now, only to exempt them, what about benefits from the rich to them? Because the system they are building. So this is a poor man protection policy. It's a pro-poor, pro-business, and pro-growth, and equity, and fairness. Okay? Me, I want to ask this question. What would you help the poor to pay? What would you help the poor to pay? School fees, like in the UK, giving their children sound education, health, and so on and so forth. How exactly is it pro-poor? Because they will pay tax or taxes. Me again, how would you monitor an elder who doesn't go to the bank after selling his cow? The answer where they expect from here, generally, you are just lamenting. That is the answer. You are just lamenting. You must pay. Everybody must. You don't say, and so we'll go back to where we did before. We don't answer this one. Now, somebody is asking one question. Should we pray to be poor in order to avoid tax? Or so that can take our money without giving back to us when we get broke by accident? I believe you understand this question. Make we pray, make we remain poor so that we don't go pay taxes, or make we rich. They will collect our money. Money where for say in case you know if you make money again, go call fall back to the money. They call collect them. It's like between the Red Sea and the devil. Remain poor, hunger will finish you. Remain rich, they will collect the money. If you come broke, nowhere to fall back to. Okay, let's answer that question. That is who? The person is Mablonut Pu 8874. Okay? Should we pray to be poor to avoid tax? No. Poverty is not freedom. It's a trap. The goal of life is not to escape tax, but to grow and be able to afford a good life. You know this reason? Some people in the UK, they will say, I have hand pains. All those Igbo, I no fit walk. I get leg pain. Because they depend on government stipend from people where they pay tax. Because the richer you are, the more tax they will collect from you. So they will say, their head they colo, they will carry them, go care centers. They will remain there. They eat free food. Where is the money coming from? From taxes. So that's the question I'm asking the government. Now to collect, just the way we sold crude oil, or the coffee. Now to collect, until no rich person to collect from, where will the money go? As they bring this reform, there should be also a reform on how to spend the money for the betterment of the poor. That's my point, okay? Be poor might mean no tax, but it also means limited options. No comfort, no power, no plan. Should we pray to be rich so that the system can take from us and give nothing back? It is true. In Nigeria, tax does not feel like a fair exchange as it is done in other countries. You pay tax, but you still buy fuel. They don't bring infrastructure so that you go avoid buy generator, buy fuel. You know, say na only light bill go pay. No. You go get your own boy. Hire your personal security. Treat yourself in private hospitals. No option for good public education. And countless self-development what you could do by yourself. We know. It feels like the system collects but doesn't protect. We know. So, what should we do? Let's demand accountability from government. Now they do so. As they teach, and they demand accountability from them. We must demand a system that will allow us to elect who we want. Don't be saying that INEC chairman go determine who go win. One person go determine who go win. Or now one judiciary man go sit down somewhere say, now this person win. As a guest, where people talk. Say now the fourth person now win election. You say the first person no win, abi? What about the second person, third person? Because now the fourth person now win. We must demand accountability. And if we demand accountability, you must join to demand for that accountability. Because if now your brother dey power today, or your sister, or your church member, your mosque member, tomorrow, if you no come dey there, you can't dey follow your brother's pattern, you no go fit talk. You no go say because I'm from Akwa Ibom, you no go give me job because Akwa Ibom man no be the presidency or no be the senate. You say, I be Sokoto man, I no fit go just write exam like every other person to enter Nigeria Port Authority to be a worker there or to be a staff of NAPTIP or whatever, but I need influence. But you expect me to pay tax because I'm in Nigeria. But when it comes to benefit, it's so you know, we must demand accountability. Through media, demand accountability. Through voting. That is why they say democracy dey good, better pass military government. Because for military, nobody dey talk na gun, poko. And also education. I am using education to say my own now. I dey educate with this lecture. Through this means, we can demand accountability. Okay? May they account for wetin dey their hands. Anybody that need to go to jail, you go there. They go even make the law dey stringent against corrupt people. The government cannot ask the citizens to pay like the UK citizens, but don't behave like the UK government. According to Gege, say, cho. Example, free education for children from primary school to secondary school. If you dey UK now, your children will go school free. How did they get the money to run all those things from your taxes? Okay? So there should be a bill, as the party bill, so the next bill should be what the government has for the people. Now so, my final thought. Tax is not the enemy, but corruption is the enemy. Okay? Poverty isn't freedom. Empowerment is. It is better to be rich and fight for justice than to be poor and still suffer. You don't hear that so? That is the end of this lecture. What do you think? Make a drop off a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any topic, you believe say I feel teach. Because me, I like teaching. Send me a message on my Instagram or Facebook, even my email. If you are watching this on another platform too, please, I beg, make you press the follow button. I beg, press on as I look you. Press on. The subscribe button, press on. I don't go do you anything. Just click it. Don't press on. Thank you.